Hi guys, hope y'all are doing well. I'm doing a what's in my bag, and I have the Sydney Satchel from Fossil, and she's in the color raspberry. So my biggest concern before I got her is if my A5 planner was going to fit in her. And there wasn't a whole lot of videos that I could find where people actually put their A5 planner notebooks in there. Maybe I saw like a couple, but the ladies that do pack their bags and they do want to also carry their A5 with them, you know, what are we supposed to do? Like, because I want to pack the kitchen sink and my A5. So anyway, as y'all know, I don't really care if the handles stay up or if they're down. So to me, this really doesn't bother me. She's got the 2 zipper pulls, and she's got like the gold Fossil logo on there, and she does have her strap D-rings, and the hardware is brass. Okay, and here's why she is so popular. It's because she opens on each side to the very ends of the bag, right here. And so because of that feature, you're not struggling trying to get your things out. And she does have a little gusset right here, so your things won't spill out when she's open all the way. Okay, another thing I also liked about this bag is she does have an outside pocket. It is big enough for my phone. It's a 6S iPhone. It's a pretty big pocket. Y'all can see that. I'm gonna push my phone all the way to the side. Okay, so I'm gonna take my readers off and put them right over here, and I'll show you. Okay, so, but how I had it was my readers right here. Okay, so I'm going to put my readers back on. This is how packed she is. I was able to get my huge sunglass case in this, and I tell y'all, this bag is seriously a Mary Poppins bag for real, because I was shocked at how much she could hold. I have my huge sunglass case, so I could fit that in there. There's that, and then of course y'all know my readers case. And I am gonna show y'all the main compartment first. Y'all saw my little pencil case that was thin. It was like multicolor, but I could keep a whole lot more in it. Well, I also got this at the same time at Michael's. It does have an elastic band, so if you did want to just put this over your planner, then you can, without a purse or what have you. It's big enough to keep 5 of these Sharpie pens and a huge highlighter. So I was shocked at this little nifty pencil case. And it's so pretty. It's got flowers on it. Anyway, I couldn't fit the other one. Let me show you. I couldn't fit this. Then I have this strap, and it is short enough for someone like me who's 5 foot tall. My emergency case, my AirPods, my coin case, y'all have seen this, my little fish pouch, and then it has my lippies, my Tic Tacs, my floss picks. Then my, oh look, how funny, my eyeglass cleaner, and my Kleenex that I think has only 2 left in here, and then I have a replacement. Oh, it matches. Oh, I didn't realize that. Okay. And then my refillable wipes and my mask. There's not a mask mandate anymore, but I just have it just in case. So, anyway. Okay. So this right here is the reasoning behind why I wanted to film a what's in my bag for this particular purse, because I couldn't decide between the Sydney and the Rachel. I actually went to a store to look at both, and I brought this with me because I wanted to see. I moved this all the way to the back so that it doesn't like cut. When I didn't do that, and y'all know this is the Austin leather, which used to be the Darcy leather. They just renamed it. So this particular leather, it scratches up really bad. And I don't know if y'all can see the little indentation right there from the little charm, the butterfly charm that I put on there. And I didn't think about it. I just threw it in my purse because I was trying to figure out what inserts I can get for this A5 Chic Sparrow. I didn't think about it. So when I put this in here, I thought, okay, well, let me move this up here so that it kind of sits like this, so it's out of the way and it's not hitting everything else. So anyway, yep, that's the kind of leather it is. It's super soft. It's like, it reminds me of Florentine leather, and so I love it for my planner. It just adds to the character. Anyway, so that was my whole ordeal with deciding, because I was just going to order it online, the Rachel, but I thought, okay, let me just go into the store because I want to be able to see if an A5 can actually fit in there with all the rest of the stuff that I have. Let me just show you. When I put it in there, it's flush in there. Like, there's still room. There's about 2.5 inches from, like, you can see it. Plenty of room for other things. And this is a traveler's notebook from Chic Sparrow. There's no rings on this type of planner, but I did see one lady have one that had rings on there. I didn't really know what kind of planner she had. Like, she didn't specify what size it was, so I wasn't sure. Again, I am all about packing a bunch of stuff. Now that it's empty on the main compartment, I'm going to go into the zipper pocket. I have my 2 pill cases, and then my keys. I had to switch to my little card case. So the zip pocket is now empty. And on the other side, I have my manicure case and my clipper. That pocket is empty, and then my hand sanitizer. And then my compact mirror. And so those 2 pockets are empty. So you've got 2 pockets on one side and then a zipper pocket on the other side. Let me get this phone out so it's out of the way. So, it's a pretty big bag. You can see it better this way. Maybe that won't flop as much. There we go, that's a little bit better. So yeah, she's pretty big. I probably won't be carrying my A5 as often because this is more of a home planner. It's gonna stay mainly at my desk. It's not that packed. It's got an A5 notebook that I got from Michaels. Let me show you. This insert I made myself. It's a thin one. And also made this myself only because this part attaches to this little dollar thing that I got at Target. It keeps my stickers and ephemera in here. And this is the book that I was talking about. You can find these at Barnes & Noble or Michaels or Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I mean, it's not like super chunky, but it fits, which I appreciate. So I'm going to show you like what I took out of this bag. It is a Mary Poppins bag for sure. I'm going to put all the stuff back in here. I guess for purposes of the strap, you know, like showing y'all. It's got the little clasp. And I like the fact that, let me zip it up first, just to show y'all. So you see my struggle, like I have to close it up gently because I have a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so here's the clasp. I appreciate that its straps hook up on the sides. because I am one of those ladies that I have a thing with it being on the handle straps because it's wobbly and uneven. I don't know, y'all. I'm just strange. I really love this color. They had a similar color on the website at fossil.com and I was about to get it, but while I was thinking about it, it sold out. But I'm glad that I didn't buy it because if I'm unsure of something and I'm kind of iffy about it, I won't do it. I really am glad for this purchase. And it took a while to figure out which one I was going to purchase, whether it was going to be the Rachel or the Sydney. Here's one of the things that drew me to the Sydney instead of the Rachel, the feet. I mean, that's not a deal breaker, but it was a plus for Sydney to have feet. Thanks again for watching. If you're on the fence about subbing, please consider it. To all the ones that have subbed already, thank you so much. Really appreciate you being a part of my community, and I hope y'all come back and continue enjoying these videos. Well, I hope you do enjoy them anyway. But alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hope y'all are well.